Okay, so we have so many websites here, guys. So మనకి ఇక్కడ food delivery already. So here already we done some food delivery design. Okay, already we done some food delivery design, and we have done already some story like Taxigo apps and as well as hospitals like mobile like medicine. Apollo. Yeah, Apollo related. You have taken some medical app. Pharmacy app. You already done some pharmacy app, and already you have done some like travel community. Book my show. What happened? Okay, book my show and
Net banking.
easy topic. Regular uses. You can find more problems and you can define more solutions also. Easy to face the challenges. So easy to understand the app. I means regular uses.
Yes.
Okay. So and we have already shared so many projects and so many apps already. And Shiva already given by like food Emmy. Okay. Already we designed everything. But sir, after completing this all the things, how can we keep this one into portfolio? And what is the design case study? So we will research some designers who has designed and how they kept and what are the things they keep and they are showing into the portfolio projects. Let's see here. So already we have taken some Behance Portfolio. Okay, in the Behance Portfolio we have taken some design. So how he has kept the logo here. Okay, food delivery app UX case studies, and he have taken only 2 to 3 screens and he showed very clear cut. Okay, just taken 2 to 3 screens, and what are the tools he used, he kept like this. Okay, and come to the design overview. Okay, and the design overview how they are giving the main reason for making this app to save this time to the customers delivery the best product and the best food they search for. That we are creating the app like to help the people to get anything anywhere anytime they want. So already like this we have taken. So what are the problems? There are a lot of problems in Pakistan that are faced by the users, and we have to cover that issue in our app. Firstly, customers in the food delivery businesses. Like this they have given some view, and here we have one more project here. Okay, so let's see some multiple examples so you can understand very easily. Okay, and this is already the case study they used from like Figma, Photoshop and Illustrator. So come to the Behance, guys, and we can search so many case studies here. So this is one type of about the project what they have taken here. Okay, what is the scope of work and what is the information architecture. Okay, let's see with one design. Travel photograph, what we say that good, and which app? It's a bike taxi go, like it's a bike it's bike taxi. Click it. Oh, so we have so many projects here. Okay, so we can see directly, or first of all we need bike taxi design case study. Click it. We can see the case studies here. Click it. Fabric triple travel booking app. Okay, let's take it. This one we have case study also. Okay, travel app. Okay, some of our designers has done this type of other designers has given some references for us. Let's see the references first of all to understanding the case studies. So how the app has taken, and what is this one, guys? This is called completely mock designs. they created in the mock the apps what they have created, and they kept into the mock style. Okay, the tools they use it from Figma and Adobe Photoshop. So what is the project overview? And the travel idea make some tourists use it to make search and beautiful places the world, and user can book hotels online through this app and pay their bill through this application. So what is the idea? Booking an online hotel reservation is more important when it comes to the reserve room. You need to go to the hotels. It's totally time wasting and low chances of vacant rooms. By using this app, you can easily check available rooms and book in just one click. So what is the design process, guys? This is very important. How the design process he has showing into the portfolio. Please check it. What is the discovered design strategies, user interviews, market analysis, competitor analysis. Who is the competitors for this project? Okay, and who is the market for using this project, this type of mobile apps, and what are the user journeys will happening. Okay, means how the user feels when using this mobile app, and what are the challenges he is facing, and already previously is there any different type of mobile apps to creating this type of apps like this. And describing user research. Definitely we have to research the users. Data collection, we have to collect the data, which type of data. It's completely the brief introduction what we are taking from the user to hotels and hotels to users, how they are facing, or that type of data we have to take it. User personas, for if he is suitable for this particular app, he can do it, he can able to do or not, like that we can see the user person. Data mapping is nothing but just taking the data from and inserting into the data into the project. Brainstormings, thinking process, user flows, information plannings, UI designs, wireframes, colors, font styles. Okay, so I told for user persona, you have to integrate your user persona into here this particular project also. Okay, so please check this one. Okay, and who has created this mobile app? You can place it your persona here directly. Okay, so the typography, like style guide. A style guide is a document which that contains design related guidelines for each repeated used elements, such as visual identity elements, icons, interface states and their components, heading, font styles. And the font they use it for enter, text, semi-bold, 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 semi-bolds, regular and extra bolds, lights and bolds, font sizes and line heights. So again the high fidelity wireframes, it has been already, we call as a medium fidelity high wireframes only. Okay, already we are done, and this is completely the visual design what they have created. Already you have done the storyboards also, and you can add one more column here, as first of all you have to give your storyboards in the starting step here. Okay, after typography you can keep your storyboards, after that wireframes, after that visual designs. Okay, medium fidelity wireframes, after that visual designs, how they showed very clear cut here. So we can see the app, the sign in and sign ups, and every app we can see very clearly. Okay, that's it.
So
This,
what's line height?
which one?
Typography. Line height.
Line height, the text to text line spacing. The line height we call as a line to line spacing. We call as a leading, that we call as a line height in this particular application. The technical analysis, that's it. Okay.
How do we need to create this? As PDF or Word?
No, JPG formats only. Yeah. So see this one. This is a travel app case studies. And what is the problem? Traveler who wants to try new travel experience, but there are no friends on this trip and wants to find new friends during the trip. User need a resource that provides all the essential information about a destination because it is a sources of information. Solution: this travel application made for true travels for travel connoisseurs who want to try the experience of traveling with new friends. Working process. So one design case studies will be is one type of different scenarios and one type of different scenarios. So the main thing is the way of thinking platform is different, but the process is same only. So see, every app they have some challenges, some advantages and some disadvantages that we have to show into this particular design case study, and you have to give your particular information, what is completely mobile app, what you created, you have to give the information into this case study. So then the user can understand very easily, so how the mobile app is working or not, and what are the disadvantages and advantages is happening, and where we have to improve our mobile app, and how we give a solutions for this mobile app. Everything it is completely working with a teamwork. So you can share your ideas and you can share your solutions to the team, and they can implement and they can give some ideas to us, and we can work together and we can complete the app easily. Like that, the teamwork will be happen. So solutions will be like this, and working process will be the 5 weeks to complete this project. So week 1, survey and user personas. Definitely empathy maps and user flow charts, information architectures, user journey maps. Journey maps is nothing but already the roadmap what we creating from the starting to ending. So the roadmap is already you started from a brief intro. After that you started a storyboard. After that you started a wireframe. After you started a media fidelity. After you started visual design. This we call as a user journey maps. And paper wireframes and high fidelity wireframes, UI design, usability testing. The testing almost it will be done with the beta version, with the test cases only, like in the internal part. Okay, discover, define, ideate, design. Just he has given some a different style wing. Okay, we have to discover means we have to research, we have to define, we have to ideate, and we have to design the outputs. And this is again one type of persona. So when you're seeing the multiple personas, you can understand how the persona you have to keep it for your mobile app. And nothing like this is your complete your persona your profile only, like the about us, pain points, goals, and everything. So user journey maps. What are the stages here? Research and planning, booking, pre-travelers, during travel, post-travel. It is completely we can understand very easily. So the actions, the touch points, and the pain points is nothing but problems, the opportunities for that particular app. So the experience how they created. So if it is a searching, frustrated, worried, and relieved, like this. Okay. And goals, online train tickets booking. Like this, he has described every particular part. Okay. Empathy part, thinking and nothing like SWOT analysis, strengths, weakness. You can see, no? Yes, the SWOT analysis. We can SWOTS, SWOT analysis we can say. Strengths, our weakness, so that we call as SWOT analysis. Thinking and feeling, seeing, saying and doing, hearing, pains, goals, and everything we can see this particular empathy map. Okay, so nothing, you are giving your information, what the mobile app you have created, and that mobile app, how the advantages and how the disadvantages, what are the problems and what are the solutions you are keeping here, what are the pain points you faced in that particular app, and what is the particular goals you have to work. And user flowcharts is very important, guys. So what is the mobile app here, and what is the skip for now, and already signed up, is a setup free account, mail IDs, enter names, home screens, and working with completely user flow. This we call as user flow or architecture. Okay, user architecture and user flow. Explore booking. So in the booking, see the red color is highlighting the booking scenarios. Booking, flight, hotel, bus, search flights, availability, passengers, information, hotel, confirm booking, payment gateways. Come to the home screen, we have a my trip, we have a icon, add a trip, enter a title and route map, add places, and come to the profile, edit profile, logouts. Information architecture will be the mobile app. Okay, so style guides and color palettes, how they are showed us. Okay, and what are the font family they have created, like monstrates, headings 1, 2, 3, 4, like this they showed, paragraphs, and the logo they created, and the icons they use, and paper wireframes, guys, I told no, that is called completely storyboards. And you can keep your storyboards here, and you can write your name here also, the date and project name, and how much the long time you have taken, and how much the time period you have taken, you can mention here also, or otherwise just make it as a project name, as a travel app. Okay, and project details, and this one. After that, we can create the low fidelity and high fidelity wireframes and UI designs. And finally, if you want to keep as a basic wireframe, like medium fidelity wireframe, you can mention as a medium fidelity wireframes, and you can showcase this one. And you can call as a UI design, that we call as a high fidelity wireframes, and visual design, the both you can keep it. This visual design we call as a UI design also. So UI and UX, only the designing part, not the development part. And we don't work the development in that particular in any companies. Okay, already we have the web development people and mobile app development peoples. Okay, we interact with that particular departments, and we work with that particular teams. Okay, so this is one type of case study, guys. Hope you are understanding, guys. So this is the project overview, and this is the mock design, Ashrita, mock designs. Okay, and these projects and the 12 weeks 40 plus screens and the tools they used from here and how the project team members has designed and what he discovered, user research, define ideas, prototypes and test, and user experience, how the he see one designer has showing different type of scenarios, and this student has also showing different type of scenarios like strategies, surveys, interview, affinity mappings, user flows, user research, high fidelity, and how week 1, week 2, week 3 he defined very easily, and finding problem, the problem statements is very clear here, and possible solutions is also very clear here. Okay, how he is facing any issues due to lack of information, hard to find the perfect route plans for tourists, and here users will find easy and perfect route plan as a tourist here, and some will get a perfect trip plan based on their budget. So quality research, name, age and everything. Quantity research, select to your age group, responses. This one, user personas. For everyone they have to show their personas only. Okay, and user journey maps and face, doing, feeling, search, getting personal search options, and home page, location, event, this one, and comfortable, satisfied of this, thanking, and we're working with user flow. It's very important guys, how the user flow they created, the main app and the splash screen, dashboard and home, and the login and sign up, and notifications, explore and wish list, menu, inbox and profile and search, blog writings and everything we just taken, card sortings. Card sortings is nothing but boards only, splash screen, enter a guest, dashboard, sign up, login, home, explore, like this. But this is not needed for card sorting. Already we are giving the user flow here very clearly. Again, why should we give this card sorting? No need to give the card sorting also. Okay, and information architecture, this we call as a mood boards. Okay, like the boards we created, like the explore. If you have any information, you can give this information. Okay, if you want. And low fidelity wireframes, this we call as a storyboards. Low fidelity wireframe is nothing but, I told you in the previous sessions also, the storyboards what you created by with your hands, that we call as a low fidelity wireframes. And when you creating this one into the system, like into the application, that we call as medium fidelity wireframes. And when you created, see, is it clear? So after completing this one, we can go with high fidelity wireframe. Some people will give this one, some designers will say this one is a high fidelity, this one we call as a UI, but both are same only. Okay, the storyboards what you created, that will be the low fidelity wireframe. Okay, and what you created in the wireframe, this one will be the medium fidelity wireframe. And come to here, what you creating with the UI design, that we call as a visual design, that we call as a high fidelity wireframes. Anything else? So this is the different type of personas and different type of case studies guys, and how they are keeping, and what is the says, thinks and does and feels, and design process, empathy researches, and like personas, ideates, design and test, user timelines and user journeys, how they are keeping, user flows. You have to create every step by step, and you have to keep your designs into this particular mobile app mock designs. After that, like this, and keep it into one design and place it. So travel app agencies, so how they created, why we start this project and goals, see how it's very clear, project timeline. Okay, and project statements and challenges, solutions, revenue models, response and quantity research, and your age and everything, user personas, empathy maps, thinking, the way of thinking, hearing, seeing, doing, gains, pains and everything, user flows. Excellent guys, this one is very nice. Okay, the final design, simple home. So this is the every app they are creating like this, the emphasize, refine, ideate, prototype, implementation, problems, solution, style guide, and the pop-ins they created. And already I showed this one, user personas, empathies, user flows, wireframes, and finally visual designs. We know everything guys. Okay, and so the same design case studies we can see in Dribble. And this is portfolio. You have to create like this the portfolio. Okay, to be Net Guru, anything. You can take it anyone. Net Guru, to be Outcrowd. Nothing. So please create, guys. Okay, please create one design case study. What your project has done already, you done with completely your storyboards, your medium fidelity wireframes, and your high fidelity wireframes. And what should you have to do? The base of level. What is your profile? What is your profile? What just you have to give the design overview of your project and giving some solutions and giving the UX design and UI design and giving the design process and giving your personas and giving some any competitive analysis, the differences between the other projects and these projects, and user flows, wireframes, and visual designs. Anything else? Clear? Sir, how can we take that one, sir? So already come to the Photoshop. Already if anyone has taken this project, just take it, and you can see the sizes here like 1585 by 32,768. So keep it here like 1585, and when you creating anything, make it as a 1600 by like 10,000. So don't take that completely single pattern. Keep it as a 2000. Proceed. So this is app what you have taken. Okay, already where is your app? Taxi go. Select this one. This is your app only, no? Select this one and make it second one. First one will be the splash screen and second one will be the home screen. Where is the home screen? This one. Can I take this one? Which one can I take? The main screen. Pending, email. This one can I take? Home screen. Second one, and third one will be the right hand bin. Okay. Or can I take fourth part? File, export, all artboards, make it some more big size like 4x. These are the 1x, 2x and 3x will be the sizes they are defining. Okay, I'm just giving a big sizes here. Okay, 4x, export all artboards like PNG, it has been exported. Where it has been exported, guys? File, export, food app. So all the okay. So this is the splash screen, no? Select this one and make it, sir. This we have taken this app, no? So how can we create this one, sir? Cut. Just first of all save the one file here and make it this one. This is the okay. And I would like to take the logo here. Where is the logo? SVG. Okay, and make it some link and particular export. And I can take the export, selected, link, SVG, export. Press replace. Control C, copy and make it into the shape. Just taking the references of the backside and making the screen. Okay, and take this one as a just taking the references only, guys, not for completely the project, to understanding view for you only. Okay, control enter for path selection and making the eyedropper and keeping here like this. The tools what you use, you can place it here, and it's a select this one and make it, you can write your name here, no, so this one, and make it the app. There is the mock design, guys. Here we have so many mocks here, and come to the mock design. Mobile app. You can take it this one, no, so select this one and make it the size. Select this one and go to the, put our design here and come to the screens, select this one and make it the, can we go like this? Okay. Come to the home screen. Okay, and you can insert the two screens. Keep it here and make it so like this. We have to take the references of another style and we have to create from step by step. This one is only the front part. So first one, second one will be the second one will be the next storyboards or design overviews. You have to type it and you have to place it into the Photoshop. And after that, so why they used the Photoshop, guys? They already created the content and they arranged everything as a step by step in this particular Photoshop only. Okay, they exported the screens and they kept the screens in the mockups and they directly arranged step by step in this Photoshop application only. So it has been created as a mock style, like portfolio. Like this, how many apps you are creating? Please keep it one or two apps with as a design case studies. That will be help you more. And rest of the part, what the designs you have done as a branding, you can place that one also in your portfolio. Anything doubts?
How to upload it in the portfolio as PDF?
No, it's from JPG only. This is the JPG only, no. No need to go with. Once if you done, again I'll show it here.
How to combine all the JPGs?
From the step by step only. First of all,
This is for only one page.
This is for one page.
Size.
Yeah, first page. So this is first page, like 600 by 2000. Nothing. If you give the best size, automatically. Suppose, come to here, Behance. Let's show you one thing. Let's come to the here, and we can see the other different other mobile app designers references, guys. Anything. The fabric, click it here.
These are all
Now,
JPGs.
huh? These are all the GPGs only. So how it looks, it's very nice now. So then we can take it this size now. It's fine. See, when I scrolling, I can see very clear cut information. Okay. So I don't want this one. I would like to take this one. So I can take this one, or I can take this one. Let's see the design. If you open anyone, see how the design, it looks very good. So sir, can I take this size? How can we take this size, sir?
Screenshot.
So is it saved up? Right click, save as. You can get JPG. If you click it here, see this one. If you click it here, right click, save as. I can save it like this. So we have to just taking the references for size only. 1920 by 16,000. That the height will be the secondary, but the first thing is the width is main important. 1920 is the main important. See, he has taken by sections and sections. First, he has created this part. Okay, first he has created this part only. After that, he has taken project view part. After that, he has taken this part, or this one is the first one, and from here to here he has created, and second one, and this one is the third one. See, the color variation is there. Okay, and this one is the fourth one and fifth one. Then he has created into a pieces, and he has attached in the Photoshop only. You first created your pieces and taken come, I will attach and I will show you the work. How can we upload this one, and how can we attach this one? We can show, I can show you, and you can upload into your portfolio. Thank you, guys.